Alright, we're still out here splitting wood, but I wanted to share another little tip with you. Just a quick little video on using a block. So this is probably a 14-inch piece of wood, maybe a little bit less, probably at the angle it's at, maybe 10 to 12. It's an 18-inch spread on this hydraulic manual wood splitter, so I've reduced the amount of tension, or reduce the amount of distance that the hydraulic press has to go by putting a block in place. And what that's going to do is it's going to have the hydraulic piston here push against this wood, which will eventually push this into the wedge and split it, and it takes a lot less force. Plus it gives you that extra 6 inches or so, however long that block is, to split the wood completely. Otherwise the piston would stop probably where the edge of the block is, right here, instead of going fully through the wood. And so this actually creates more leverage for you and increases the torque, allowing you to split that piece of wood with a smaller piece of wood here, and it extends the distance of your hydraulic press. And let's see if I can make sure this is tightened down. Show you an example one-handed here. Alright, so now the block is being pressed into the wood, and we've only got about 4 inches of piston showing, instead of having, you know, twice that. So we'll go ahead and get this going. Alright, so my long throw is in. Put that down. And we'll come to this side and we'll start cranking. And there we go. And you want to make sure you have a hard wood and not a soft wood being used as your block. Otherwise you're going to go through them quite a bit. I would recommend getting like a 4x4 or 6x6, whatever, treated wood that you can find at the hardware store. They seem to last longer, but this natural piece of oak here was perfect size for me. And you can see that split. It's actually allowing me to go completely into the wood here. I'll finish it up on this side. But you get the point. So it extends the piston further, allowing you to get more into that wood there. Alright, that's just a quick little tip on using one of these manual splitters, and that's actually true for automatic splitters, or, you know, motorized splitters as well, to shorten that distance. Alright, got a lot more to do. On to the next.